Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to program a button in Java. So we're gonna start quickly. We don't want to spend a lot of time here. Open your Apache, NetBeans. Once it's open, I believe you know how to design a form already, or how to design a button. So I expect you to know that. I have one tutorial which teaches how to design a form. So once you know that, you just know that you're gonna be on the right track. So you click on your, let's start by running our application. We see, you can see the application here. We have two buttons, we have two text fields. Whenever we click on one, nothing happens. But then what we need to do, we want to click on this and something happens, or this and something happens. So the first button is called btn login. So that's the button to login. So you just say btn login dot which function we're using, action listener and the action event. All those are things we're going to use, understand? So the same button we did, we're gonna add what they call action listener. So you can add on any button you want. It's gonna say action listener, but it has to be you have to add, say dot add action. It's gonna be capital A, action listener. You select this one. Once you're done with that, what's gonna happen, you're gonna go inside and say new action listener. So once you're inside here, you say new space action, new action, and also this action is going to be capital action listener. Okay, once you're done with that, remember this is a function, so you're going to put this. Then we have to open curly braces and also we close them. So you come inside here, that's where we need our button to do something. Okay, so look what it tells you. So create action listener, whatever, leave that alone. Come inside here and try to say public void action performed. Public void, it has to be public. Public void action performed. It's gonna be action then performed, the P has to be capital. Then after that, making a mistake here, performed. Okay, then you close here. So when you close, inside you're gonna put another function inside, another thing, which action event. So but here outside you create curly braces. Okay, once you've done with that, then I forgot, this one should be cut and it be pasted here, somewhere here. Okay, if there's a problem, then you close here. Okay, that is fine. Inside should be action event, action event also is a big letter, and then put E. Then after that, it's complaining still. There's something we have to do. We have to import some classes. Import java.awt.event.Action. Okay, once you're done with that, let's see why is this giving us some trouble. It says this one, create action listener package. Okay, let me see if everything is fine. I'm checking letter by letter. it had to be listen. You see there was wrong spelling here. After you see, okay, now it can give it an option to add to import. You do import. After that, that button is good. So we can comment here and say our button login code. Okay, after that, you know where it ends. The button ends here, and you can comment say end of login button. It's good to program when you do comments, because the program is gonna become big, then you become confused, or the code can be transferred to somebody else to use it, and he might find it so difficult, or she, to read it and also make changes or to improve the code. You get me? So that's why we really emphasize every time when you code, comment the code where it ends and where it starts. So inside here, that's when you're gonna put something. So what I want to do, let's try to run the program. The program is there, the button is programmed, but now the thing is it cannot do anything because there's nothing we put inside. We click, nothing happen. We click, nothing happen. So our own aim is to click and something happen. So what are we gonna do? What I want me, if we click on this button, some text should come inside this text box, the first text box. So what do? We come and say txt, that's the text box we have. It's gonna be first name, this one, first name, dot set text. Okay, you set text, only that, gonna be cool. You do and say okay. You use a string if you want, you can use numbers if you want, but now we're gonna use strings. So think of any characters you're gonna put there, or any word you want to put there, and say I am clicked. I am it can say, gonna say please type your first name. Okay, that's what we want the program to tell us, that text area. When we click on the button, click. Okay, after clicking on that, it's gonna start. Let's see the button. It started. You can see nothing's happening, but once I click this, nothing happened. But if I click here, some text gonna come here. Let's see, tap, you can see some text come here. So you can use this button also to program the way you want the program to do, maybe to clear, you get me? But now that's the way you do the button. So there's form, let me say frame dot close. True, let me say true. Let me dispose. I wanted to make it the second button at least to close the program. I forgot the code how to use it, but anyway, whatever you want to do, if you want to do the second button, you just have to copy this exactly, and I'm just saving time, and paste it here down. So this should be btn register, they shouldn't be the same. When you put it here, it's a button, our register. Okay, Okay, after that basically they're gonna do the same thing, both of them. So you can change it after when you want. Okay, I'm gonna click here, you see. So but you can program this to put in text in here, or to make it clear this, or to make it close the entire system. Yeah, no guys, that's the tutorial we have for now. And if you have something I skipped, and or I'm a little bit faster, but I'm trying to be a little bit slow so that everybody gets it right. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can ask or request any tutorial, we'll do it for you. Okay.